Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make Ghana sausage kebab. I've had this video for a long time, years, and I forgot to post it, so forgive me. I hope you're going to like this recipe. It's so easy and tasty. So if you want to have a taste of the Ghanaian kebabs in abroad, watch this. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we are going to use bockwurst. I think it's the closest sausage to the Ghanaian one, and you can get them from Lidl or even Aldi sometimes. Of course, you need suya pepper, okay, or chichinga pepper. You need just a little bit of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. Feel free to use any type you like. You need just a little bit of sliced onion just for decoration, okay? And of course, you need skewers, bamboo skewers. You can dip them in water for about 30 minutes before using the skewers. And I've got here a kitchen brush. Okay, guys? Right. So now we've got everything: our sausage, our suya powder, our onion, and also our vegetable oil, which is about half a tablespoon. So first and first, just stick the bamboo skewer in the sausage. So just as you see here, be careful, okay? Just like this, nice and easy. And make sure it doesn't stick out, so just like that. So you just have to kind of play with it, okay? And here you are, very easy to make. Okay, so I'm going to do the remaining sausage off camera. And this is it, guys. All my sausages are in the skewer. And also, I need to tell you to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Sorry, I don't know in Fahrenheit, but just look up online, okay? And now, the Ghanaian sausage kebab have this funny cuts. Yeah, so basically, just cut the sausage on one side, leaving some space in between, okay, and then flip it and do other cuts, okay, right in between the cuts. You see, just as I'm doing here, just like that. It's so easy, isn't it? Yeah. So repeat the same for all your kebabs, okay? And this is how it should look like. So my dear friends, all my kebabs are ready. I'm just making a small quantity, okay? And now, just before we put it in the oven, we are going to brush it with some oil. So this is why you needed the vegetable oil, okay? Just a little bit. Some people do not do it, but I like it and I think it's better. But you do what you want, okay, guys? So brush it with oil. So here comes my favorite part, which is the kebab sausage coating, okay? So make sure you coat it very well, yeah, with the suya spice. Don't be scared. Add as much as you like because you're going to lose some anyway. Okay, guys? So yeah, so the usual Ghanaian chichinga pepper, or if you're Nigerian suya pepper. All right, so that's it. Hey guys, all the sausages have been coated with suya spices, so now they're ready to go into the oven. I'm first going to start with 10 minutes on one side, okay? And then after 10 minutes, I am going to flip the sausages over, yeah, just as you see here, for another 10 minutes on that side, okay? So it makes it to a total of 20 minutes, okay? So guys, this is my sausage now, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add even more suya spice, okay? And then I am going to brush some more oil on it, but just a little bit, okay? You see, not too much, just a little bit. You don't have to do this, you can skip this step, yeah, but I just like it, and to me it makes it even more tastier, okay? Right, I'm adding a bit more suya spice, and then I'll put it for 5 extra minutes on each side back into the oven, okay? So I also wanted to say it also depends on your oven type. Yeah, I'm using a fan oven, so do check your oven, right? Okay. Hey guys, so this is my sausage kebab or sausage suya. It looks so tasty. So now I'm just going to garnish it with a bit more suya spice and some onion slices on top, just to make it look more appetizing. Okay guys, so this is the end of my recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, messages, comments, to share the videos, okay? Make sure you try this recipe. As you can see, it's very easy and it's tasty, especially if you like sausages. Of course, this is not the traditional one in Ghana, okay, but it's close enough. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye bye.